Traditional inspections in confined spaces can expose surveyors and crews to significant risks. Together with Flyability, we are enabling safer access to critical areas whilst maintaining the high standards of reliability and compliance expected by Bureau Veritas. At Bureau Veritas, we see UT drones as a very promising evolution of remote inspection techniques. They complement the expertise of surveyors by enabling safer and more efficient inspections while still meeting strict technical and class requirements. We believe these technologies will play an increasingly important role in the future of maritime inspections.
Flyability is the pioneering company behind confined space drones, meaning drones that are collision tolerant and can fly in areas where no GPS signal is available. At the core, a UT drone in maritime or offshore is a drone capable of remotely collecting high-resolution close-up visuals, both CVI and GVI, and accurate UTMs in compliance with class guidelines, removing the need for humans to enter confined spaces. More advanced UT drones like the EDS-3 UT can then localize all the UTMs and any defects within a 3D model of the area that was being inspected, with some of these inspections even starting to become autonomous.
The collaboration brings multiple benefits to ship owners and operators. It improves safety by reducing confined space entry, increases inspection efficiency by minimizing downtime, and provides high-quality inspection data that supports faster and more informed decision-making. It also helps the industry accelerate the adoption of innovative remote inspection techniques.
UT drones can support inspections in ballast tanks, cargo oil tanks, void spaces, and other confined or difficult-to-access areas on board vessels. They are particularly useful for structure assessment and corrosion monitoring. The EDS-3 UT collects high-resolution visual data, 3D mapping information, and ultrasonic thickness measurements. Together, this data provides a comprehensive overview of the condition of the inspected structure. BV conducted a series of technical evaluations and operational tests to validate the drone's performance. This included accuracy assessments for ultrasonic thickness measurements, repeatability tests, operational trials in representative vessel environment, and comparisons against conventional inspections methods to ensure compliance with BV requirements. The EDS-3 UT has demonstrated a very strong performance during our evaluations and field deployments. We see strong potential to further expand this collaboration. Together, we want to continue developing practical and scalable drone inspection solutions for the maritime industry, support broader adoption of remote inspection techniques, and help ship owners improve safety, efficiency, and sustainability in their operations.